Okay. Everything is unorganized. Give me a second. Hi everybody, it's Riley_cosplay0 and today we'll be doing a makeup tutorial. It is the first video on my YouTube channel and that's going to be very interesting. Today we're going to do one of my more well-known makeup looks and it's Denki Kaminari. It's one of the more simple looks even though it's some more well-known ones. You'll need an eyeliner. My favorite eyeliner that I use. Sir, stop scratching. Anyway. So this is Master Precise All Day Liquid Liner by Maybelline. It's my favorite. This is not working. Okay, well, I'll put it right here. It's the Maybelline New York Master Precise All Day Liquid Liner in black. And it's my favorite liner. I've got about 4 of them right now. So there's 3 of them right here. Then you need an angle brush for your eyebrows, or you can use something like this. This is an Insta Brows by Model Co, which is just something my sister got in her Ipsy box, and then I just kind of took it because she didn't want it. I'm no professional really, so I don't use like brow stuff. I actually use eyeshadow, but that's not a problem. And then you'll need a lot of brushes, you know. So these are some eyeshadow brushes. I really only use one, either that or my finger, so you're good there. And then these are really fancy brushes just to do some contour, blush, which are things you can do with like all the same brush if you brush it off. And so it's nothing fancy. This is a fan brush, but you can put on highlighter with fingers. So don't worry about it if you don't got fancy stuff. This is my highlighter. It's being taped together right now because it's broken, but it's such a good highlighter. I didn't want to get rid of it. It's a Wet n Wild highlighting powder, and this is e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer. I use that kind of all over my face. I don't do heavy foundations for cosplays. Matte Clarity makeup palette, like eyeshadow palette. I've used this for as long as I can remember. It's literally from CVS. Not expensive, simple stuff. I'm saying anyone can cosplay with whatever kind of makeup you got. You don't need fancy stuff to be a good cosplayer because you got this, okay? And I have this little fluffy thing, but you can use a headband of any sort. Just gets all my hair on my face. It makes me look kind of funny. So let's get into it. And I'll probably do a voiceover while I'm doing these things. So hello to voiceover Riley. Say hi.
Hello. Okay, hi, hello. I've never really done a voiceover before, but let's get into it. So I am just putting concealer on. I'm pretending I know exactly where I'm putting it. There we go. And now I'm going to blend it, but I would only blend it if I had remembered my makeup sponge. So let's go grab that, and we're gonna come back. Amazing. And now I'm just going to blend very gently. I do wet my makeup sponge, and it helps blend it out a lot faster.
Alright, so it's really simple. It's hardly covers too much. I'm not too worried about any imperfections. Basically, just cover your face. We're not doing anything fancy. If I need to, let me know, I guess. But, I mean, I don't wear the makeup for very long, and it's just for videos and pictures, and then I'm out of there. Anyway, I'm going to take my e.l.f. Primer Infused Bronzer. And see, the thing is there's going to be, like, makeup people out there who get mad at me because I use some products for not their intended use. I use this as contour, and do I care? No. Are people gonna get mad at me? Probably, but voiceover Riley, take it over.
Hello there, I'm back. Let's get into it. Alright, so I am sucking in my cheek to see my cheekbones a little easier, and then I kind of just follow the line down to my lips and then underneath my jawline to make it a little sharper. These are very basic things that I do, and I really am self-taught, so if I'm doing something wrong, please let me know. If it gets too dark, I take my beauty blender and I go right back over it. Don't put any extra concealer on. I just use what was on there before, like that.
My cat just yawned. So I kind of just dotted it around, but mostly here to contour. So moving on, because Riley's probably already said all that.
Yeah, something like that.
Figure. All right. You want to come up here? You okay? There you go. There you are, Angel. Here, let's not jump on my computer. Alright, he's gonna do his thing. Now, I have a simple angle brush. It's not gonna focus really, but you can see that it's an angle brush. This brown color, that it's an eyeshadow. It's simple. It's called Nimbus on this specific palette, but it just happened to match my eyebrow color, and I was like, okay, we'll just go with this for now, and then it worked so well that I kept it. So, here we go.
I believe the angle brush I'm using is probably a $5 one from CVS. You don't need anything very fancy. I'm just tracing over my eyebrows with the angle brush with some brown eyeshadow. Then we do a little dance. Nice.
So pretty simple like that. I just filled them in. For more masculine cosplays, like Denki, they're a little thicker, a little darker. For Sue, I actually do black. And they're more like pencil, like Sharpie. She's got very thin eyebrows. Here, let me show you. For Denki, because he's got like, you know, electricity, he's got some like sharp, you know, lightning bolts. I do a little bit of a little design-ish thing. This is completely optional, but I like to do it. It's kind of a trademark thing. Now we're gonna do eyeshadow and eyeliner. Do your eyeshadow first and then do your eyeliner, because if you do your eyeshadow after, you'll cover your eyeliner and it'll get faded and kind of like powdery, and it won't look very good. This is called Tweety, like Tweety Bird. This yellow, it's a very bright yellow, and I kind of like pack it onto this simple brush, or I put it on my finger and just swipe it on. Denki is more of my he's more flamboyant than a lot of my other characters. He's the only male cosplay I put lashes on. Oh my god, sleeping. Oh, he's such a good boy. So you can take this however you like. I really encourage you to create your own style with your cosplays and have some fun with it. Use other people's looks as baselines, but make sure you can come up with your own and just make it your own, and your own style, so you can just have fun and be comfortable in your own cosplay. So you're gonna do great. Start with some baselines. It's gonna be awesome. All right, let's go.
Oh, that was sweet. Anyway, so I just basically take this bright yellow and I pack it onto my eyelid. There's no technique here. I'm just trying to make it look big and exaggerated. I put a little bit underneath my eyes and all around. Go big or go home.
Ta-da! So moving on, I've got my favorite eyeliner in the whole world. I will encourage everybody in the world to get this. I even recommended it to my drama teacher and all my friends who wanted to start using eyeliner and stuff like that. It's just my favorite because, watch this. It is so simple. It's so simple. Just okay. Take it over, Riley.
Gladly. I love eyeliner. So with this eyeliner, you simply swipe it on and it does the point for you. Then I fill it in and I go slightly underneath the outer corner of my eye just to blend it all together. Same thing on the other side, try to follow the same line to get them pretty even.
Super simple. So sometimes with Denki, I also go in with a liner. You can shake it a little bit, but don't shake it too much because it might come out everywhere.
On the inner corner of my eyes, I do the same points. Very simple. Basically just do it the opposite way.
Gives it a more pointed look. We make sure that we don't Asian fish here. It's not okay. Don't tape your eyes back. Don't accentuate them to try and make them look more Asian. Please don't do that. Make your makeup your own and have fun with it. Just be safe, all right? So we have pretty even eyeliner here. The lighting is terrible. Pointed on both sides makes it look really nice. Then you can take a fancy fan brush if you like, and
highlighter is super simple. You can put it on your cheekbones, your nose, the bridge of your nose, your cupid's bow, your chin, and even your brow line. But I'm also telling you, this works too. Just put it, look how shiny it is. Right on your finger. It's perfect. Perfect. You don't need no fancy brushes either. I have some fancy brushes because I love brushes and I'm addicted to them. They're very nice. There's like glitter going everywhere. It's lovely. Okay. Some of the final touches that we do is, where is my mascara? Hello. Hello. There it is. This is Sourmate Extreme Volumizing Mascara.
I don't think I'm saying sourme right, but we'll see.
Here's a fun fact about mascara I learned a while back. While you're doing your mascara, start at the base of your lashes and move the wand side to side. This separates your lashes and gives it a more full and longer look.
So I forgot to do my setting powder, but that's okay. But when you do your setting powder, this is Bin 9 Neutral Set Colorless Powder that I pour into the lid, tap it, and I put it onto the eyeliner. That helps when it, where you're going is going to be hot, maybe sweaty, stuff like that. Oh, he just fell off his pillow. Oh, I'm so sorry, Angel. So that it's a good idea to set your powder, but do not put your mascara on and then set it. It'll get all chunky and it will look and be uncomfortable. So this is what we have without eyelashes, so I'm going to go ahead and show you those right now. Hi, I left for like 6 hours to go to play rehearsal, so sorry. So we left off, and I was about to show you how I put on my fake eyelashes. I have these really big, or I had them. Where'd they go? Oh, they're right here. Found them. Okay, so I have these really nice lashes. I don't know what the brand is, but they're really fluffy and they're big and they're exaggerated. I love big exaggerated cosplay lashes. Anyway, voiceover Riley. Oh, never mind, I forgot my glue. Hold on. Okay, I'm back. Slay. So this is my eyelash glue. It's Igloo Premium Strip Lash Adhesive.
Ugh, honestly, I hate working with lash glue, but I have a strategy. I put glue on both lashes before applying either one of them, and then I take the first lash I put glue on and I put that one on my eye because it's already done and tacky and ready to be applied. And then by the time I've done that one, the other one is also ready.
So did good on that. And then I take my trusty eyeliner, my favorite eyeliner, and I simply draw a little lightning bolt. I usually put it on my right cheek.
Another reason I really like this eyeliner is because you can use it simply like a paintbrush.
But there we go. And then I like to put lip gloss on. It's gonna have a little bit of black because I use black lipstick for homecoming. Let me go get the wig. Okie dokie, final look. Finished it, put on the wig and everything. I'm not getting a full cosplay, but I really hope that you enjoyed this small tutorial, and let me know if I helped you, and suggest other makeup tutorials, other characters that you want to see. You can find me on Instagram and TikTok at Riley_cosplay0. And those are places you can check what characters I've done, so which like tutorials I can do for you. If you join my Patreon, you get some exclusive videos, early access to photos and content behind the scenes of photo shoots, and just a lot of special things that other people won't get. We're gonna start doing a shout out thing on this channel, where if you're a donator, I shout you out every video, unedited pictures and bloopers and everything like that. So it's a lot of fun. So if you join there's plenty of tiers to join, so everybody's welcome. It's gonna be great. But don't worry, if you can't support me through Patreon, then just watching the videos and interacting is the best thing you can do for me, which is all I need from you. So thank you so much. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Got a bolt.